With the advent of modern technology, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, we can operate so many things from the comfort of an armchair these days. When it comes to the garden, probably the most hated or loved job is mowing. I love it. It's a great bit of exercise, but for some people, they want a robot to go out and do the job. Fair enough. Thankfully, Stihl have been listening. Meet iMow, Stihl's new robotic mower. They don't just mow your lawn, as the name implies. Once programmed, they care for your lawn like an absolute perfectionist by utilising optimum mowing paths, making sure your lawn is evenly and consistently cut all over. There are two models in the range. The RMI 422P is great for your average suburban block like this, and it's capable of caring for a lawn up to 1,500 square metres. For those of us on larger blocks, and we mean large, the next model up, which is the RMI 632P, is capable of caring for an area of up to 4,000 square metres. There are a few questions that are commonly asked, like what happens if it's raining? Well, this mower is so smart, it heads back to the docking station and it will come back the next day and mow the areas that it missed. And what happens when it bumps into something? Well, it quite literally will just turn around and move out the way. It's that clever. The other question that a lot of people will ask is about gradients. Can it mow up the side of a hill? The smaller model can mow up to 40 degrees. The larger, to 45. They are incredibly versatile and can manoeuvre the trickiest of lawns. So if your garden features trees, shrubs, statues, play equipment, garden beds, maybe a pool, don't worry, an iMow won't have any issues navigating these objects. Once your iMow is installed and ready to go, you quite literally don't need to lift a finger. It'll even return itself back to the dock to charge when it needs to. This incredibly clever mower doesn't just mow and care for your lawn, it actually looks after your lawn in a way that you'd never imagine. It finally cuts the leaf so it actually falls in amongst the lawn. Now, this is effectively mulching. What it's doing is it's feeding the lawn, it's improving the soil, keeping your lawn nice and healthy. And best of all, you don't have to worry about disposing of lawn clippings anymore. And the best part about iMow is that they are also incredibly quiet, so you and your neighbours won't even know that it's mowing. If you pride yourself on having the best lawn in the street, but you've got a busy lifestyle and you don't have the time to put into it, this has to be the ultimate mowing solution for you. And if you're one of those people that are not really tech savvy and you're not quite sure whether you can set this up the right way, don't worry. Your Stihl iMow dealer will set it all up for you. The support from your local Stihl iMow dealer is second to none. Not only will they come to your house, create a custom plan and take care of the installation for you, they also have a dedicated team member at each approved dealer who's able to assist you with any aftercare queries you might have in the future.